doesn't want to take the risk of going to trial and having a life sentence.
Bryan Oliver's attorney was able to pull a hung jury the first time around, but this time he played it safe. Thanks for choosing 23 ABC News at 5. I'm Tim Callahan.
And I'm Jackie Parks. A plea deal has been reached in the case against the teen accused of shooting a former teacher and classmate at Taft High School. Bryan Oliver could spend decades behind bars. He's accused of walking into a classroom in January of 2013 and shooting 16-year-old Bo Cleveland in the chest. 23 ABC's Carlos Correa is live downtown tonight at Superior Court, where soon Oliver will return to hear his sentence. Carlos?
Bo Cleveland and his family were not in court today, but through their attorney, Daniel Rodriguez, they say they're relieved it's all over and saddened for the outcome.
Bryan Oliver pled no contest to 2 counts of attempted murder without premeditation. As part of the deal, Oliver agreed to spend 27 years behind bars, with a youth parole hearing set within the first 13 years.
When a tragedy like this happens, it doesn't just affect the person who was actually shot. It affects the entire family.
Oliver, who is accused of walking into a classroom and shooting 16-year-old Bo Cleveland in the chest, has already served 2 years. Cleveland's attorney, Daniel Rodriguez, says it's likely he won't serve all of his term.
The fact that this person actually is not going to do more than 15 years, probably, doesn't seem like real justice.
Sentencing for Oliver takes place February 26, but before then, Oliver has the option to change his mind.
It's possible, although it's very rare, that someone is able to withdraw their plea. You can't just withdraw your plea because you changed your mind or you're having buyer's remorse. There has to be some legal grounds for it.
Criminal defense lawyer Clayton Campbell says the discovery of new evidence or the misadvice from attorneys could lead to a withdrawal of the plea, but says the judge would have a hard time accepting that petition.
He probably wants the deal. He agreed to it today. He doesn't want to take the risk of going to trial and having a life sentence. I think this is a deal where he's got an out date certain, and he's unlikely to want to withdraw that.
The civil trial for this case is set for August 3rd. Bo Cleveland has already had more than 22 surgeries. The Cleveland family is looking for millions of dollars to help pay for all those medical expenses. Back to you.